Welcome. In this session, we'll learn how to apply a function to each key in an object, updating an accumulator along the way. This is useful for transforming objects in a structured manner. Let's get started. Our task is to loop over an object's properties, apply a function to process them, and return an updated accumulator. This helps in restructuring data efficiently. The function takes an object, iterates over its keys, and applies a function that modifies the accumulator. Here, we use reduce to ensure each key value pair is processed sequentially. We first extract keys, then use reduce to process each one. The function passed to reduce modifies the accumulator, which is then returned as the final transformed object. Here's a breakdown of how each key value pair updates the accumulator. We group keys by their values, so A and C both belong under 1, while B belongs under 2. This approach is useful in many real-world scenarios, such as grouping data, processing configurations, or building reports dynamically from raw data. In summary, this technique allows us to manipulate objects effectively, whether for data transformations, analytics, or UI formatting. This method provides flexibility and efficiency. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.